I made this whole outfit within the time frame of an hour. I mean 1 hour, and I'm here to show you how I did that. So guys, welcome once again to another tutorial video where I walk you through on how I made this outfit. If you want to see, please watch to the end and do not forget to subscribe as well. In this video, we make the skirt. In the next part, we make the top. Stay tuned. So guys, for the skirt part, I'm making use of 3 yards of fabric. Yeah, you heard me right, 3 yards only. Okay. So the first thing I did was to fold this out, this fabric, fold it like so, and then went ahead to get my full length. Now, if you're getting your full length, make sure you're minusing the length of your band, right? So if the length of your band is 2 inches and then your full length is 45, you have to mark this first of all at 43, right? And then use the 2 inches for your length for your band to complete it. Okay, so now I have to mark that straight because that is where my marking started. All right, so then after that, go ahead and cut this out like you see me do right now. Now, after cutting it out, the next thing you're going to do is just to go ahead and fold the entire 3 yards into two. So, which means when you fold it into two, you're going to be having one and a half on both sides. Do you get me? Now, so when you fold that into two, go ahead and cut it like so, like the way you fold it into two. Go ahead and cut it. So, which means on one part is one and a half, on the other part is 1.5 yard. Do you understand? Yeah, just cut it like that. And now after cutting that, take one of that piece and set it aside, which means take one of the 1.5 yard and set it aside, right? That will serve as your the front piece of your skirt. Now also remember to notch the center of that of your front piece. Okay, now set it aside after notching it. Now the next thing you're going to do is to fold the remaining 1.5 inch into two again and also slant it open. This serves as the back of your skirt. The reason you're slanting the back of your skirt is because you want to have a zipper at the back of your skirt. If you don't want it to have a zipper at the back, or you don't want a pocket, right, as well, because this skirt has a pocket, you can just go ahead and start sewing immediately with the 3 yards, right? But if you want it to have a zipper, so if you want it to have a pocket, okay, you have to follow this way, like do it as I'm doing it right now. Now bring in the piece that you cut out, okay, from the beginning, and then measure out your waist circumference. Now my waist circumference is 36. I marked that, folded into two at 18. So when you open it up, it's going to give you 36. And I also marked 1 inch zipper allowance there as well. Now go ahead and cut from that 1 inch zipper allowance. Now bring in your edge stay or your gum stay, whatever thing you call it. Press it on top of your band that you already cut out. Okay, make sure you iron it very well. This part is very important because if you don't, your band area is not going to have the strength that it needs to just lap around your waist circumference very well without folding. So do not miss this step as well. I'm just showing you guys this so that you know, maybe you've seen some of my videos and you're wondering how do I do this. So I'm just showing you right now so you know how to go about it. Okay, so just go ahead and iron it very well. Trim off all the excesses like I'm doing right now, and then go ahead and fold that into two equal parts right there, and then also iron it very well. Okay, now after ironing it like this, open it up and then fold in 1/2 inch from one side, right, and also iron it down. Now by the time you're done doing that, fold it in again and iron it. So when you iron it, you find out that they are no longer equal, right? So yeah, it's okay like that. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now set it aside. Okay. So now that we're done ironing this and setting it aside, I also went ahead to cut out the pockets. Well, we all already know how to cut out the pockets by now. If you don't, visit my other videos where that has pockets, trousers, skirts. You will see how to cut your pocket right there. But yeah, this is that's not the main aim of this video, right? So let's focus on the skirts. Now bring in your front and your back piece. Then go to your sewing machine and do your gather stitches. Now to make your gather stitches, make sure you set your machine um to the not tight, to the free stitch. Make sure that the stitch is very free. If you're using if you're using an electric machine or industrial machine, set it at 5. If you're using a manual machine, take the control knob down, very down. All right. Now just run 2 straight lines on that, and after that come and start doing your gathers like I'm doing right now. So you're going to gather from both ends. This is the front. So when you're gathering, make sure that your gathers are equal. Gather from both ends and then measure it. Make sure that when you measure it, it is up to half of your waist circumference. You already know that the waist I'm working with is 36 inches, right? So now when you gather, make sure that leaving half inch on both sides, you have 18 inches. Okay. So and also set your gather, set them very well so that it's not too gathered on one part and then the other part is scanty. Do you understand? So now that we've gotten that, set it aside and then also do the same thing for the back piece. Now for the back piece, on one side, make sure you're getting quarter of your waist circumference. 36 by 2, 18 divided by 2 again is 9. So I need to get 9 inches on both ends, on both sides. Okay, so this is the first one. After this, we'll go ahead and gather the second part of the back piece. Capish? Capush. So now that we're done with the gathers for the back, bring in the other part of the back piece, okay, and then pin on the zipper allowance. All right, make sure you pin it very well. Then after pinning it, place it down like you see me do right now. Then with your tape, go ahead and mark where you want your zipper to stop. If you want your zip, the length of your zip to be 10, this is where you mark it. If you want it to be 9, this is where you want it to be 7, this is where you mark it. But make sure that the length of your zipper is enough for you to like wear it freely. And then after that, go ahead and sew it all the way down. Now after sewing that, you're going to be having it like this. Okay, now on both sides, as in the side of your skirts, go down by 1.5 inches. You can do 1 inch, you can do 1.5, you can do 2 inches, depending on how low you want your pocket to be. Now bring in your pocket piece and then place it like you see me do right now. Okay, place it like that and pin it down. Also place it on the other side as well. From that 1 inch that you 1.5 inch that you measured, place it there and also pin it down. Now after pinning this, bring in the front part as well and also repeat the same process. Remember, go down by 1.5 inch from both sides. On this side 1.5, on the other side you're going down by 1.5 from the waist circumference. Then after that, place your pocket like I did and pin them down. Okay, when you're done with that, go back to your sewing machine and just stitch on it like straight line on both sides, both for the front and the back as well. And now that that is done, go ahead and join both the front and the back. Use 1/2 inch and sew from there down to the pocket and all the way down. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, now bring in your waistband fold them together and notch the center part. This is very important. Now also fold it again, stopping at the zipper allowance, right? It's more like dividing your waist measurement into four. You fold once, get the half, and then fold again to get the sides, the zipper allowance excluded, right? Now bring in your skirts and begin to pin zipper allowance to zipper allowance, okay, and then pin side to side, center to center, and then the other part again, side to side. What this enables you to do is to be able to get everything where it's supposed to be. The side is going to be at the side, it's not going to be anywhere else apart from being at the side. Now if your gather is excess, because in the process of sewing this, maybe it's extended or something like that, this is going to help you to put them back where it's supposed to be. So if your gather is too, if your gather loose, just go ahead and drag it until it fits where it's supposed to fit, okay, and then go ahead and sew that up like you do your normal band for your skirt or for your trouser. All right, yeah. Now after that, you're going to have this, go ahead and also attach your zipper to the back as well. Now the zipper down, and now to the final thing that you're supposed to do for this skirt, which is folding the hem of your skirt. All right, just tiny fold, double fold it, and then sew it all the way around, and voila, this skirt is ready, okay. And this is what you're going to have. You're going to rock it with your top. Either you tuck it in or you tuck it out, okay. So in the next video, we are going to be showing you how to make this top pretty easy, the easiest top you can ever make. Do not miss that video, because that is going to be coming next on the screen. Until next time guys, stay creative and do not forget that I love you.